Win Class 4 Division 3 A and B race was brought to you by the Viva Prime channel and the instant replay. Ito, hatid sa atin ang Santa Ana Park. Sa aksyon,
patok.
And away they go. Now showing by Darrell. As it coming rushing up White Diamond. Newsmaker 6 wide running by Darrell is Gypsy Gray. Then comes at Erod in the middle. And on the outside is Carry Over. And going along for the first turn now showing by Darrell Gypsy Gray. Sir Edward racing in third from the outside. Running for its Newsmaker, down on the inside, Miggy Man. Carry Over by Darrell is White Diamond. And Good Hope is running at the tail of the field, working towards the back. Now showing by 3/4 of a length. Moving up down on the inside is the favorite, Gypsy Gray, to grab the lead. It's now Gypsy Gray, followed by Sir Edward. Now showing is racing in third by Darrell Newsmaker. Miggy Man is racing in fifth. Has it coming, Carry Over, White Diamond second last. And Good Hope is still running at the tail of the field. Rounding the far turn, Gypsy Gray racing away now by 7 lengths. Sir Edward is running in second. Newsmaker now showing as the race, the final corner, the super mega outstanding favorite Gypsy Gray increasing its marker to about 8 lengths and nearing the finish line. Gypsy Gray coming home from his third consecutive win, and finally Gypsy Gray all by himself. Sir Edward took second. Carry Over third. Newsmaker fourth. Has it coming fifth. Miggy Man number 1 now.
2, 4, 7, 6, and probably number 3 for your Pentafecta. Pick 6.
Pick 6 handle is 2,275,036. Ang dala po ni Gypsy Gray is 2,099,705.
Nasa kanya lahat. At etong ginawang tiyempo, ang galing.
19.5, 24, 23.5, finishing at 26, 133 seconds, 1,500 meters and distance.
26 ang